What's the next song?
The one about me.
Oh yeah.
It's story time. B, Belania. C, Chisma. D, Daley.
She's always in her own world. Yeah, she is.
I know. We'll be talking about food, earthling maintenance. Check.
What's that, Belania? Earthling maintenance? I'm an earthling.
Yes, you are. Specifically skincare and hair care.
That way.
Next, free radical garb.
What's free radical garb? Is that a special type of fashion?
Yes, it is. Specifically under free radical garb, there's thrift, vintage. There's BCD Planet, collectible collections.
What's that? BCD Planet collectible collections. I've never heard of that before.
Next, and everything under the sun worth acknowledgement. That wraps up this list. Wait a minute! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment my videos. Not every Wednesday, but Wednesdays. My next coming video will be either about my work outfit or it'll be about my hair. Whichever one comes first. Stay tuned!